In the previous video of crisscross method, we saw the multiplication of two-digit number by another two-digit number and three-digit number by another three-digit number. But what if we want to multiply two-digit number by three-digit number or numbers larger than three digits? Let us cover answer of this question in this video. Hello everyone, welcome to Infinity. Let's get started. So first, let us try to multiply 23 by 212. Here, we need to convert two-digit number 23 into three-digit. So, we write number 23 as 023 and then multiply it by 212 using the technique of multiplying three-digit number by another three-digit number. So, step 1, multiply unit digits. 3 into 2 is equals to 6. Step 2 is cross multiplication of 3 into 1 plus 2 into 2 is equals to 7. Next, according to step 3, multiply 3 into 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 0 into 2, which is 8. Next, multiply 2 into 2 plus 0 into 1, which gives us 4. Lastly, 0 into 2 is equals to 0. So the final answer is 4876. Next, multiply 64 by 312. So here we convert two-digit number 64 into three-digit by writing 64 as 064 and apply multiplication technique of three-digit number by three-digit number. Initially multiply unit digits. 4 into 2 is 8. Then according to step 2, 4 into 1 plus 6 into 2, which is 16. We put 6 and 1 will be carry over. Then next step, cross multiplication of 0 into 2 plus 6 into 1 plus 3 into 4 plus carry 1, which gives us 19. Drop 9 and 1 will be carry over. Then multiply 0 into 1 plus 6 into 3 plus carry 1, which gives us 19. Put 9 and carry over 1. Lastly, multiply 0 into 3 plus carry 1, which is 1. So the final answer is 19968. Normally, this method is used to multiply smaller numbers like 2 digits and 3 digits. But we can extend same logic to multiply larger number. Let us have a look at how to multiply 4-digit number by another 4-digit number. The following are the steps involved in multiplying 4-digit numbers. Suppose we want to multiply 2104 by 3072. Then there will be 7 steps involved. Step 1, 4 into 2 is 8. Step 2, 7 into 4 plus 0 into 2 is equals to 28. We put 8 and 2 will be carry over. Step 3, 0 into 4 plus 0 into 7 plus 1 into 2 plus carry 2 is equals to 4. Step 4, 3 into 4 plus 0 into 0 plus 7 into 1 plus 2 into 2 is 23. We put 3 and 2 will be carry over. Step 5, 3 into 0 plus 0 into 1 plus 7 into 2 plus carry 2 is equals to 16. We put 6 and carry over 1. Step 6, 2 into 0 plus 3 into 1 plus carry 1 is equals to 4. Step 7, 2 into 3 is equals to 6. So the final answer is 6463488. Hope you like this video. If yes, then do like, share the video and don't forget to subscribe Infinity.